Welcome to Berendsen's fully equipped 830 square metre facility in Bayswater, Melbourne. Home to a dedicated team of expert hydraulic technicians and engineering personnel with a well-honed reputation for end-to-end design, assembly and installation of turnkey hydraulic systems. Assembly and integration of hydraulic components and electronic controls takes place in-house, while a comprehensive testing facility gives Berendsen Melbourne the capacity to repair and test hydraulic pumps, including piston pumps, vane pumps and gear pumps. The Pump Repair Centre features a 90 kilowatt pump test rig capable of delivering a variety of test cycles. With pump performance data captured throughout the test cycle, accurate flow and pressure testing can be undertaken on-site prior to delivery. The fully equipped Cylinder Repair Centre handles large cylinders with ease. Manual and digital measuring equipment is employed to scrutinise and accurately record data for cylinders up to 230mm bore and 2500mm stroke dimensions. Featuring an in-house honing facility, a fully equipped machine shop for the manufacture of new barrels and rods, as well as a purpose-designed repair bench boasting 55,000 Newton meters of nut tensioning torque. Berendsen's end-to-end attention to detail extends into the in-house spray painting facility, which restores a factory-fresh finish to each completed and tested component. Melbourne's fleet of fully equipped field service vehicles can be found at Victoria's most advanced industrial sites, where our field service team is trusted to perform scheduled maintenance, emergency repairs and new equipment installations using precision diagnostic equipment and tools including flow and pressure data recorders, portable particle counters and specialist tube and hose fitting equipment. Berendsen Fluid Power Melbourne. Precision service and high-performance hydraulic solutions.